Hello everybody, welcome to Ankara Nation Online Training. My name is Lizzie. On this channel, I'll be teaching you how to make Ankara accessories. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting video. Thank you! Today, we are working on wrapping of shoe with our Ankara material. These are the materials I will be using. Ankara material, old or new shoe, hammer, scissors to comb, stubborn gun. Now, pick your material. Remember, we are on the wrapping of our shoe. This is the shoe we want to wrap. This was how the shoe was. Before you wrap your shoe, remove any design that is on the shoe so that you get a neat job. This thing was on this shoe. I've already removed it. And you remove your shoe from your sole before you wrap. Like this one. I've already removed the sole from the shoe. Now remove any kind of design on the shoe as well. Place your shoe down. Pick your Ankara material like this and wrap it with your shoe. Put it on your shoe and fold it in. Fold it in and cut out your excess from the material. After cutting out your excesses like this, fold your material in like this. Pick your pen. Pick your pen. Use it to mark the inside of your shoe. That is the opening of your shoe. Use your pen to trace it out. After tracing out the inside of your shoe with your pen, that is the opening of your shoe, use your scissors to cut it out. That place you just trim with your, use your scissors to cut it out. After cutting it out, this is how it will look like. Then you open the back of your shoe like this. It will look like this on your shoe. This is the back that I open. Now remove your material from your shoe. Add gum to your shoe. Add gum to every part of your shoe. After adding your gum to your shoe, leave it a while to dry. Then pick your material, place it on your shoe like this. Use your hand to smoothen it. After fixing your material like this, now add gum to the edge of your shoe. You will be folding in like this. After adding gum, you fold 1, 2 on your shoe. This is how it will look like this. 1, 2. Your folding will look like this. So you add gum to the inside of your shoe, the edge of your shoe. Add gum here. After adding your gum to the edge of your shoe and your material, start fold your material like 1, 2 and fold it in like that. After folding in your material, this is how it will look like. Folding. Now you go to the back of your shoe. This is how it will look like. Remember, we cut it into 2. One will trim out the inside of our shoe. Look at how it looks like now. Now this is how you wrap it. You cut out excess from this one. It will be like this. Then this one will be on this other side. So now pick your scissors and trim out your excess from here. After cutting out your excesses, this is how it will look like. Gum this part, then this part we have rough edges here. Add your gum to it. First fold it in a little like this, fold it in a little like this, then gum it on this other one. So now I'll be adding gum. After you fold in, this is how the back of your shoe will look like. Now, as a professional, based on my Ankara nature, we cannot leave it like this. You cut out a small piece of cloth like this one. Fold it like this. Fold the edges like this. Fold these edges. It will look like this. Use it to cover the back of your shoe. You add your gum to this piece of cloth and add your gum to your shoe and cover it. After adding your gum, leave it a little while to dry. Then pick up your piece of material, gum it on the rough edges of the shoe. This is how it will look like. Now we have a neat job here. Now pick your scissors and cut out your rough edges. Then you fold the remaining materials. You fold it in. Cut out your rough edges. After cutting out the excess of your material, now add your gum to the inside of your shoe and fold in your material. After folding your material on your shoe, this is how it will look like. Now it's time to add your shoe to your shoe sole. Now add your gum on your sole. Add your gum to your shoe. Leave it a while to dry and gum it together. After adding gum to your shoe and your shoe sole, leave it for a while to dry and gum it together. After adding your shoe to the sole of your shoe, you use your hammer to hit it so you have a very firm and neat job. This is how it will look like. Our Ankara shoe is almost ready. Now I want to give explanation in case you are using a shoe that you cannot remove the sole. When you wrap your material on your shoe, instead of removing the sole, you just fold in your material like this and gum, because there are some shoes that are very strong that you cannot remove their sole. Fold in your material and gum. That's how you gum those ones. Now our Ankara shoe is ready, but we cannot leave it like this. As a professional, we have to design it. So you make your rose flower, bow tie, sunflower, anyone you want to use to design your shoe. Me, I'll be using my rose flower to design the shoe. This is a back design, and you can as well use a cover button or stone to cover this center of your rose flower. Add your UH gum and add your rose flower. You hold it to dry. Add your UH gum. After adding your UH gum, you add your rose flower to your Ankara shoe and hold it to dry. You hold your rose flower to dry. This is how it will look like. This is the finished work of our Ankara shoe. It's beautiful. This is how your Ankara shoe will look like on your leg. If this is your first time of seeing my video, Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Ankara Nation. Thanks for watching.